Hello crochet friends, and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a variation of the griddle stitch, my absolute favorite stitch, or the lemon peel stitch. This stitch looks very similar to our standard griddle stitch, but a little bit more organized, I would say. You still get these really fun boxes that you get on the griddle stitch, but they're more defined and they stack perfectly on top of each other, with just a slight change in the stitch placement. This is a fun variation on this stitch. I am so excited to show you how to do it, so let's hop into it. To begin our griddle stitch or lemon peel variation, you want to do an even number of chains. Then turn it over. We're going to work in the bumps. You want to skip this first bump closest to your hook and do a single crochet into the following bump, the second bump from our hook. So we'll insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through both loops on our hook. And then in the following bump, we are going to do a double crochet. So we'll yarn over, insert our hook into that following bump, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through those first two loops only. Yarn over, and pull through the remaining two loops on our hook. And then from here, we're just going to repeat that same thing. Single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, ending in a single crochet. So for this next bump, we'll do a single crochet. And then the following bump, we'll do a double crochet. And then a single crochet. And a double crochet. And in our final chain, we'll do a single crochet. And then from here, we'll chain one and turn. And look at that little texture. Ah, so cute. In this first stitch here, we're just going to do a standard single crochet. So we'll insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through both loops on our hook. And then in this next stitch, which is the double crochet from the previous row, we are going to do a double crochet. So we'll yarn over, insert our hook into that stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through those first two loops only. Yarn over, and pull through the remaining two loops on our hook. And we're just going to repeat that same sequence all the way across. If you noticed the variation in the standard griddle / lemon peel stitch, you actually do single crochets into double crochets and double crochets into single crochets. In this variation, you actually stack single crochets and you stack double crochets. That's what gives us that nice even texture, as opposed to the standard kind of crunchy texture of the standard griddle or lemon peel stitch. That is what makes this variation a little bit different. So into this next stitch, this is a single crochet stitch, so we're going to do a single crochet. And then this following stitch is a double crochet, so we are going to do a double crochet. And then this next stitch is a single crochet, so we'll do a single crochet. And this next stitch is a double crochet, so we'll do a double crochet. And we will end this row with a single crochet into our first single crochet from that first row. And then we'll chain one and turn. And we'll just do the exact same thing that we just did. we'll do a single crochet into that first stitch, which was a single crochet from the previous row, and then a double crochet into the next stitch, because that is a double crochet from the previous row. And we'll do that again all the way across. Double crochets into double crochets, and single crochets into single crochets. And we'll end with a single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. And you'll just keep repeating that same row over and over and over again until your desired length. Isn't this stitch so fun? I love it, just like its standard variation. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload new videos. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!